Still thinking kung saan ka magsisettle dito sa Spain? What if I told you na may province na magbibigay sa'yo ng 10,000 euros or 679,000 basta tumira ka lang doon for 2 years? Hola chicas y chicos! My name is Yenny as the locals call me here in España. I'm a virtual assistant and we are a family of 4 na nag-migrate from Philippines to Spain last July 2024. Today, pag-usapan natin yung Junta de Extremadura. It's a regional program na perfect para sa mga remote workers like us. When we arrived in Spain last year, nabasa ng asawa ko ang program na to. But I was very close-minded kasi gusto ko sa Madrid lang kami. Hanggang sa nabasa ko this year na may Pinay Digital Nomad holder na nakapasa and yes, pumasok na sa bank account niya yung 10,000 euros. Ginagawa ng Spain yung mga ganitong programs to revive small towns, address the population decline, and boost yung local economy ng certain city or province. And in some cases nga, may mga libreng bahay pa daw, sabi ng workmate ng husband ko. Pero para itong phone plan ha, kasi naka-lock in ka for 2 years sa town na pinili mo. And if you extend, may extra grant pa ulit na ibibigay sa'yo. So, to qualify for the 10,000 euros or 674,000, you need to meet any of this. Dapat isa kang babae or you are under 30 years old. Or you choose a town with less than 5,000 population. If none of that applies to you, you will still get 8,000 euros or 543,000. Still not bad, diba? Pinaka-importante dito is you are a remote worker. So may digital nomad visa ka na. Magagamit mo na rin yung mga documents mo to apply for this program. So ano na? Tara na sa Extremadura. Adios and hasta luego!